rises high, the sky looks tall. Iron bars rust, but chains still warm. The earth cries out, the rivers mourn. Who will listen? Who was born? Babylon fall, Babylon fall. Stone by stone they build that wall. Now roots rise strong and we stand tall. Babylon fall, Babylon fall. The drums speak truth, the rhythm roll. Lion hearts rise while jackals gnaw. No gold, no crown, no greedy law can silence roots or break their claw. Roots dig deep, they find the source. Rivers flow with ancient force. Babylon fall, Babylon fall. Stone by stone they build that wall. Now roots rise strong and we stand tall. Babylon fall, Babylon fall. Echoes roll through the valley low. Freedom whispers where the breezes go. Babylon trembles, it starts to slow. Truths of fire they can't outgrow. ancestors calling, hear them calling, hear them deep in the night. Oh, I feel it in my bones. I feel it. Foreparents here. Foreparents stay near. Foreparents here. Is it a warning? A blessing in disguise? Blessing coming for me. Foreparents here. Foreparents stay near. Foreparents. Foreparents here. Roots run deep. Roots never sleep. Roots stronger than steel. Ancient whispers in the breeze tonight. Roots dig deep where the stars ignite. Mountains hum a melody so wise, calling out through the earth and skies. For parents' voice, it never fades. Through the fire, through the waves, endless night. The drum it speaks like a heart that's torn, each beat a warning of a new day born. Ashes to ashes, the rhythm will call. Oh Jah, are you listening now? Oh Jah, show us how. Jah for trouble, Jah for peace, Jah for the moment when the chains release. So Jah for trouble, Jah for light, Jah for the morning after endless night. Mountains tremble, roots dig deep. Time moves slow while the spirits weep. Echoes linger in the dove's embrace. Every shadow finds its place. trees. Every spark, a memory's name. Nothing's ever twice the same. still stands tall, carries the storm, answers the call, a spirit, a drumbeat, heard by all. Her laughter breaks the chains, her tears bring healing rays. Mama strong, oh mama strong, her love is loud, her will is long. Mama strong, oh mama strong, she bends but never breaks, she's where we belong. Her voice hums in the wind, low and true, whispers of tomorrow, pulling us through. No gold, no crown, just the earth in her view. Mama strong, oh mama strong, her love is loud, her will is long. Mama strong, oh mama strong, she bends but never breaks, she's where we belong. Mystic river rolls through the trees, whispering secrets to the breeze, where the sun dips low and shadows tease. Oh, mystic river, flow so wide, carry my troubles, let 'em slide. Oh, mystic river, take your time, wash my soul.
chasing the horizon, but it's always far. Pages of life, they turn, lessons in fire. They burn, words that heal, words that sting. Pages of life, they sing, they sing. Raindrops on the paper, smudging the truth. Time's a thief that stole my youth. Footprints fade in the sands of time, yet the rhythm of my heart keeps the rhyme. Oh, the past is a ghost that lingers, fades a tune played by unseen fingers. Pages of life, they turn, lessons in fire. They burn, words that heal, words that sting. Pages of life, they sing, they sing. Some pages blank, some heavy with pain, some washed in tears like tropical rain. Ink of joy, ink of strife, writing the book of this fleeting life.
Shine bright through the night, guiding steps so right, walked on. Give your all. Path of Cyan calling, calling. I and I. Path of Cyan.
her secrets key. Rolling hills, they speak in green. Life's a journey, not a scene. Rasta journey. Feel the beat. Roots are calling. Move your feet. Rasta journey. Sky so wide. Take the rhythm. Take the ride. Clouds drift slow, the breeze so kind. Ancient whispers ease my mind. Every step the drum will guide. Truth and wisdom side by side. No need to hurry. No need to race. Feel the rhythm, find your space. Rasta journey. Feel the beat. Roots are calling. Move your feet. Rasta journey. Sky so wide. Take the rhythm. Take the ride. Mountains high and valleys low. Feel the river's steady flow. Peace is near, the music's true. Let it carry me and you. She walks through the haze like a dream so serene. Her crown of green, she's the Sensimilia queen. The air bends around her, sweet with her perfume. Her laugh like thunder, her eyes cut through the gloom. Oh, Sensimilia queen, where have you been? You light the fire, the world within. Oh, Sensimilia queen, you rule the scene, the rhythm's yours, the beat so keen. She whispers to the night, the stars start to sway. Moonlight dances on her skin, chasing shadows away. Roots run deep, she's the heart of the land. She raises her hand, and we all understand. Her voice is low, her words take flight. We're lost in her spell.
though it's golden white. The breeze it whispers like it's high, but I'm just here with my short supply. Too short for ganja, too long for pain. Chasing clouds, but I'm stuck in the rain. Too short for ganja, it's all the same. Life's a rhythm I can't sustain. I roll the paper, dreams in hand, a crumbled leaf, a promised land. But the stash runs out like shifting sand. One puff, two dreams. It's never as it seems. Too short for ganja, too long for pain. Chasing clouds, but I'm stuck in the rain. Too short for ganja, it's all the same. Life's a rhythm I can't sustain. Ashes fall like shooting stars. Empty pockets chasing jars. Rhythm echoes near and far. Walls closing, I see